Kakatanem ang kilalanan ng bayang pamuntok ng Regional Police Office 3 kaya lili ng Brigadier General Pbgen Fajardo king report ng Angel Dumagat.
Pormal Neng Mitalaga i-Police Brigadier General Ponce Rogelio Ibasco Peñones Jr. bilang Bayong Regional Director ng Police Regional Office 3 kaya lili ng Police Brigadier General Pbgen Fajardo. Fajardo naman yang maging bayong hepe ng PNP Finance Post. Megsilbiya Fajardo bilang spokesperson ng PNP at Chief of Police King San Fernando. Penibalane rin ng PRO3 ang Manimuna King 2025 elections, anti-drug operation at kampanya laban private armed groups. Samantala, menibat naman ni Police Brigadier General Peñones King PNPA Class of 1995, maging Provincial Director ng Zambales at Deputy Regional Director ng NCRPO. King kayang maging speech, sinigurado ng Peñones na balawos ing reformang inumpisa ng Fajardo at magpatupad anti-crime drive at community engagement ang makatuki keng direktiba ng PNP Chief General Nicolas Torre III a 5-minute response time at police mobility. Ako Angel Dumagat para king News Force Pampanga. Balitang tutu king Balen Susuyo.